इस एपिसोड ऑफ द अल्फा मार्केटिंग पॉडकास्ट। और आज हम बात करेंगे हमारे लीड मैग्नेट के बारे में, राइट। लीड मैग्नेट क्योंकि वाई लीड मैग्नेट, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली लीड मैग्नेट इज़ द थिंग बिकॉज ऑफ विच पीपल आर गोना सब्सक्राइब टू यू। वही सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से लोग आपको अपना ईमेल आईडी आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे, सो दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट विद योर ईमेल मार्केटिंग, राइट। इन द लास्ट फ्यू एपिसोड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट अ लॉट with respect to email marketing, but the start of it starts with your lead magnet, right? So having a good lead magnet means more leads, but that is one goal. At the same time, the second goal of a good lead magnet is to qualify your subscriber for the next big step. क्योंकि अभी वो आपका सब्सक्राइबर बनाए लेकिन अभी तक उसने आपको कुछ पे नहीं करा है, राइट। वो अभी तक आपका कस्टमर ही नहीं बनाए। सो ultimately, if your lead magnet is good enough to give good value to your subscriber, automatically it will qualify them for the next big step, and that is to ultimately pay you money, right? So a general principle that we keep in mind when it comes to lead magnet is कि let's suppose जो मेरा एंड प्रोडक्ट है, अगर वो एक पर्सन को A to Z पे लेके जा सकता है, A to Z पे लेके जा सकता है, तो माई लीड मैग्नेट शुड बी गुड इनफ, सफिशिएंट इनफ, जो कि सामने वाले बंदे को A to B तक तो लेके जाए, कम से कम A to B, A to C, A to D, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट। सो सम सॉर्ट ऑफ जर्नी, क्योंकि जब वो जो सब्सक्राइबर है, जब वो आपके थ्रू वो छोटी जर्नी कवर कर लेता है, देन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ देम trusting on your product or your services, it increases, and therefore it becomes more likely for them to buy your paid product, right? So the first and the major and the foremost important goal of your lead magnet is, of course, that's the most important thing, is to get you the email ID of the prospect, right? So your email lead magnet has to be exciting enough, engaging enough, curious enough, जिसके against people are ready to give their email ID to you. Of course, that's the number one thing. But another thing that you need to keep in back of your mind is that how easily they can consume your lead magnet and get value out of it, so that they can trust on your product or services even further. So having a lead magnet, if I have to compare between two lead magnets in which one is, let's suppose, a 30-page ebook and another one is a 1-page cheat sheet, right? Then I will go with the 1-page cheat sheet, because thinking from the subscriber's point of view, the thing is कि यार मेरे को immediate value out of that 1-page cheat sheet मिलने वाली है, right? It's quick to absorb, quick to implement, right? And the more quicker I am able to implement, the more sooner I will be getting the results, and that is gonna help you qualify your prospect for the next step, right? Against which there is a 30-page ebook जिसमें से कि एटलीस्ट 50% लोग उसको पढ़ेंगे भी नहीं। जब तक वो पढ़ेंगे ही नहीं तो वो स्टिल दोज प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स वर ऑल्सो गुड इनफ टू बी एबल टू बाय योर प्रोडक्ट, लेकिन वो ट्रस्ट कभी डेवलप ही नहीं हो पाया टू बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई देम फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, क्योंकि वो 30-page ebook पढ़ने का उनके पास टाइम ही नहीं था, right? So when it comes to a choice between a 30-page ebook or a 20-page ebook versus a single-page cheat sheet, I will go with that. But अगर उसमें ऐसा हो रहा है कि because of that 1-page cheat sheet, right, I'm getting less number of email subscribers. So remember, the first goal is, of course, getting more email subscribers. Then there is no comparison, right? So the ideal combination is getting more email subscribers along with easily implementable. But at the same time, अगर easily implementable lead magnet के बदले अगर आपको email leads कम मिल रही है, then of course it's not a good option. But if both the things are going in parallel, then awesome. But in any case, you have to go with the best option, that is giving you more email email IDs, more subscribers, and then if it is more easily implementable, then there is nothing like it, right? So this is a quick lead magnet strategy that you need to keep in mind, and it's ultimately going to help you get more results, right? So this is it for this particular episode. I'm going to see you in the next one.